Okay, so we're continuing with our exponents. And what about the order of operations, the OOO, or order of operations? What are we going to do with that? Well, first you need to remember that for your order of operations, you first work inside any parentheses. Remember, those parentheses tell you to do that stuff first. Then you're going to simplify the exponents. Then you can multiply or divide. And finally, you can add or subtract. If you don't remember the order of operations, pause the video right now and write this down so that you can remember for the test. All right, so if we have something like this, we have 4 times 3 plus 2 raised to the second power. I have parentheses there, right? Right here. There's my parentheses. Oh, I'm losing my paper. And so if I have that parentheses, I have to do that parenthesis. Everything that's inside the parentheses I have to do first. So 4 times 3 plus 2 raised to the second power, that is equal to 4, I haven't done anything with that yet, times 5, that's 3 plus 2, 5, and that 5 is going to be raised to the second power. Now, once I've done that, now I can say, okay, well, 5 raised to the second power, that's my base, there's my exponent, so that's going to be 5 times 5. So now I have 4 times 5 times 5. So what's 5 times 5? Well, that's 25. And what's 4 times 25? It is 100. So 4 times 3 plus 2, close parentheses, raised to the second power, this is equal to 100. All right, why don't you pause this, and I want you to try this guy. Now, I know I added a little bit on here to it for you, but that's okay. I think you can do it. We've got an expression. There's our expression. Negative 2 times x to the third plus 4y. I want you to evaluate that if x equals negative 2 and y equals 3. Now what I've done is I've helped you out a little bit. See, I put the negative 2 here, and instead of writing x to the third, I went ahead and I wrote negative 2 to the third, right? Okay, so that whole thing is in parentheses. See that? That's a clue. Make sure you pay attention to that's in parentheses. And then we have 4 times y. And I've rewritten for y, I've rewritten 3 because that's our y value. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to try that.